Changing your phone number on Sitecore is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Login. Access your Sitecore account by entering your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard or under a menu labeled Account or Profile. Step 3. Select Phone Number option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Delete your old phone number and enter the new one. Ensure that you input the correct format and double check for any typos to avoid errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new phone number is saved in the system. By following these steps, you can successfully change your phone number on Sitecore. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.